Good day, viewers. My name is Mr. Famakade from A Plus Model School. Today we'll be looking into the subject mathematics. On this, we want to look into the topic area of a cycle, squares, and rectangle. Under this, we want to look into the area formulas of the shape mentioned. That is, the shape mentioned above when we talk about cycle, squares, and rectangle. Now, on our next slide, we have the objectives of the lesson. That is, pupils should be able to explain 1. The area of a circle in respect to its formula. Then 2. The area of a rectangle and square. 3. The use of combined area formula of the two quadrilaterals. That is, when you have a shape that you have more than the rectangle alone, it is combined both with a square, so you have to use a combined formula of both to get your area. Now, to start with, we have the area of a circle. In our previous lesson, we discussed on the perimeter, the circumference of a circle, and other shapes, but today we are looking into the area of a circle. Now, area of a circle is the pi of the radius square. I repeat, the area of a circle is the pi of the radius square. If you can remember very well, vividly, that we talk about a pi to be equals to 22/7 or 3.142. Hence, area is equals to pi r squared. Area is equals to pi r squared. Now, for example 1, find the area of a circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Solution. First, you have to know the parameters you are given in a particular problem. We have the radius as 3 centimeters and the pi is equals to 3.142. So therefore, the area is equals to pi r squared. Therefore, where pi is 3.142, we have area equals to 3.142 times 3 square. And 3 square is 3 times 3, which is 9. If you press your calculator, you have your area, the area of that cycle, to be equals to 28.278 centimeter squares. So that about that particular example. Study it very well. You understand everything that has been said and that has been written over there. Now, example 2. If the area of a circle is 12 centimeters square, find its radius. Solution. You have to know the parameters we are given. In this question, you are given area of the circle, which is equals to 12 centimeters square. Then you are asked to find the radius. We have the pi as what? 3.142. Now, on our next slide, we have the solution. Hence, area is equals to r squared pi r squared. Therefore, area is equals to, where pi is 3.142 times 12 times 12, and that is area equals to 452.448 centimeters square. So that is the solution to that particular example. Now, the big part of this lesson is the areas of rectangle and a square. The area of rectangle and a square. Now, area of rectangle is the product of length and breadth. That is just the area of rectangle. Is the product of length and breadth. Now, what is that? Area is equals to length times breadth. Now, example. Find the area of a rectangle if its length is 6 centimeters and its breadth is 3 centimeters. So we have to look for the area of a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeters and its breadth is 3 centimeters. Solution. Parameters given, we have length equals to 6 centimeters, breadth equals to 3 centimeters. Now, hence, area is equals to 6 centimeters times 3 centimeters. There we have area equals to 18 centimeter squares. Now, example 2 on that particular part of this lesson is that it says if the length of a rectangle is 10 centimeter, what is its breadth if area is 36 centimeter square? Solution: parameters given is length 10 centimeter, breadth, we are looking for breadth. Then from the formula we have area equals to length times breadth. What's the area? 36 centimeter square equals to the length is 10 centimeter times the breadth. When you divide both sides by 10 centimeter, you have 36 centimeter square divided by 10 centimeter equals to 1 times breadth, and 1 times breadth is breadth. So breadth is equals to 36 centimeter square divided by 10 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel centimeter, therefore we have 36 centimeter over 10, which is equals to 3.6 centimeter. So the breadth on that question is 3.6 centimeter. Now, number 2 on this lesson is area of a square. The area of a square is the length of its sides square. That is, the area of a square is the length of its sides square. That is, when you have the length of the side of a square and you have it in 2 places, that is raised to power 2, you have it as the area of the square. Hence, because the sides of a square are equal, so that is why you have it as length squared. Hence, area is equals to length times length, and area is equal to length squared, L squared. Example 1. What is the area of a square if its length is 7 centimeter? Solution: parameters given are the length, which is 7 centimeter. Thus, area is equals to length squared. Area is equals to 7 squared, where length is 7, remember, so we have it as 7 squared, and 7 squared is 7 times 7, and that is 49 centimeter squared. Now, example 2 on this, we have if the area of a square is 100 centimeter square, what is its length? In this question, we're given the area, we're asked to look for the length. So what are we going to do? We're given the area and we are asked to look for the length. Don't forget, we are dealing with a square, so a square has the same sides, so the area is equals to length squared. Therefore, 100 centimeter square is equals to L squared. Hence, when you square both sides, square root of both sides, you have this L raised to power 2 times 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the direct representation of a square root, so in number, so 1 over 2 at power is direct representation of a square root at the power. So you have 2 times 1 over 2, which will be L raised to power 1. At the end of the day, 2 cancel 2, you have L raised to power 1 equals to square root of 100, and square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. Therefore, the length is 10 centimeter. I hope you understand and you are really followed me while I was explaining this particular lesson. If you do, that is an additional advantage for you to quickly understood whatever has been taught on this lesson. Now, lastly for today, we have the assignment. The assignment says you can try to read the assignment and understand it very well and attempt the question. Don't forget, always try to read and reread the whole slides so as to have a better understanding. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as regards the lesson to be dropped. God bless you. Thank you.